Hey there everyone, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you what reuse content is on YouTube, what that actually means, and how to remove it so you can actually get monetized when you reapply, or just actually get monetized in general when you first actually start a YouTube channel. So let's go over what reuse content is and how to remove it and how to get monetized.
Alright, so first things first is you go to your YouTube page. So we go over here, go down to Creator Studio. So click Creator Studio. And then what you're going to do is over here on the left side, you're going to click Channel. Click the channel and you go over to monetization. As you can see, it says your channel was not approved for monetization because I have reused content and I had no idea what that was. So it says currently ineligible for monetization. I have to wait till December 14th to reapply, which is 30 days. Well, in 19 days now. It tells you exactly why you weren't approved. So right here it says reuse content. So in most cases you can't re-upload someone else's content unless you get permission first. Remember, it's not enough to credit the content owner or state that no copyright infringement is intended. To learn more about copyright and fair use, here are some of the basically types: audio, video, sound recordings, visual, written, dramatic works, video games, and computer software. So even if you get somebody's permission and there's a copyright basically notification, you can still have this reused thing. So basically, to fix this, what you're going to have to do here is you go to Video Manager. So you click Video Manager, and I did a few of my videos I've already deleted before. There was actually two videos that I noticed. It was this one and the Andy Anderson NKA one that I got a copyright strike. So basically, it's kind of weird because if you're already accepted for being monetized, this doesn't matter. You can have as many videos as you want copyrighted and making money and sharing revenue, but before you actually get monetized, you can't do any of this. So basically right here, this video, Drugs Inc. Shooting Up Surrey, BC documentary, which I found on National Geographic, it says includes copyrighted content. So you click that and it's going to show you exactly. So from 10 seconds to 43:59, it says claimant is National Geographic. So you're like, oh no, do I file dispute? Do I just delete it? But it says there's viewing restrictions or none. It's monetized by the claimant, which means you can use the copyrighted content in your video. Ads might appear on your video, but it's going to National Geographic. So National Geographic is going to get all the revenue, which is perfectly fine with me because, I'm just trying to share the video to get people, to realize what's going on in Surrey with the drug and gang wars. But anyways, what's happening here is, even though it's allowed, because YouTube, their new law, I guess, rules and guidelines are stating that you can't actually use copyrighted or reused content like this until you're actually monetized. So that's kind of unfair in a sense. You guys might agree or disagree with me. You guys can let me know in the comments below that after you're monetized, you can use content, reuse content, do whatever you want, but before you reach that threshold, you can't do any of that, which I think is unfair. But it is what it is. So basically, to fix this, what you're going to have to do is enhance the video to delete between those sections. But that's basically this whole video, because this video is 43. It's basically the whole video. So there's no point in even editing a section. So if you guys have a video that has the audio copyrighted, you can just remove the audio, or you guys can just delete a section of the actual video. So basically what you would want to do is,
this program shows drugs being made.
Nope, don't want that going. So audio, you would go to audio, and you could change over the audio, add to video, replace the audio or delete it, and you can actually basically cut down the video and trim it as well. But the easiest way to fix the reused content is to find the video that is in question right here, and what you're going to want to do is go to videos and you're going to want to delete it. That's basically all it comes down to, is just you're going to delete it. So all your videos, you can see, are perfectly fine, A-okay. It was just a couple of them, like the Andy Anderson, that had the copyright strike notification. Even though I was sharing revenue and it's fine, it doesn't affect your channel, it just affects your monetization, which is weird. So right here, the one video that I have left, which kind of sucks, but I will be uploading it later when I get remonetized. So what you do is go down here and you just click delete, and you permanently delete the video. That's right, you permanently delete it. So you got to make sure that you resaved it. And now if you go back to copyright notices, it should be gone. No videos were found. So there you go. That's how you solve that problem. And now when I reapply for the monetization in 19 days, basically I should have no problems as long as I don't upload any other videos or any audio or whatnot. But if you actually follow the guidelines and don't do this to begin with, then you should have no problems. Just do original content and you'll have no problems at all. I'm just going to quickly check out my dashboard here. See, I have 83,000 views, 1,247 subscribers, 381,000 watch time. So yeah, I did pretty good, but unfortunately when you reapply, you're going to have to wait for them to review your channel again. So yeah, that's what reuse content is, and that's how you fix it.
So that is what reuse content is. So basically go into that section, make sure you have no videos that are copyrighted. If they are, either edit them or delete them, or just delete them and then re-edit it and upload them. Either or works. I just want you guys, you know, to not go through the same frustration and stress that I went through when I've had this problem, because I was like, reuse content, that's like what every YouTuber does, and we're supposedly allowed to do that. But so yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any questions. That's what I'm here for, to help you guys and support you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Please like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and if you're wondering what that noise was, that was my cell phone. I forgot to turn off the sound. Alright, peace out everyone, and good luck on monetization, and check it out. And if you have any copyright notices, make sure to delete those or edit them before you actually apply. Good luck everyone.